What's up, traders? So let's do a full multi-time frame analysis of gold. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity we have in this precious metal. Now, before I begin the full multi-time frame analysis, make sure you smash the like button and also don't forget to drop a comment below. Now, what you see on the screen is the daily chart. Now, this is the daily doji here. This is what exactly I predicted in my weekly forex forecast. After this daily doji, gold may drop to the downside and looks like the price has done exactly what it is. Now let me give you now a full multi-time frame analysis, and then we'll come back to the lower time frame again to see what kind of trading opportunity we have. Now let's see first of all monthly time frame. Now this is the monthly time frame, and what you see that gold currently strongly rejected from this monthly resistance. Now you see this is the resistance. This is the highest price ever reached gold in 2020, and then the price went to the same level and then strongly rejected this month. Now at this point, when you see this kind of rejection from here, it looks like that monthly candle will close somewhere below it. It may not go up from here again. So with that being said, still gold is bearish and we can expect further drop this month or early next month. Now let's see, first of all let me draw a resistance here. You see this is there are back to back two monthly opening and closing, and also there is a monthly resistance. So let's draw this level. Now let's go to the weekly time frame to see what's happening. Now on the weekly, what you see that gold has broken this long term trend line. Now this is a resistance here, there is a resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, and when you see this kind of resistance is broken, you can expect the price to come back again to test this resistance as a support before creating any move to the upside. Now one important factor we need to consider on gold, that gold has an imbalance in this area. Now when you see an imbalance, market doesn't like imbalance. So with that being said, it is highly likely that gold will drop to this level, test this one, complete, fulfill this imbalance, create a balance, and then will rise up again. At the same time, it will test this trend line. Both will be tested and then likely to drop. This is what I believe. Now let's see on the daily time frame how the price action is forming. Now on the daily time frame, you see there is a doji has been created. Now in this daily time frame, let me draw this trend line and then we will understand what happened. Now, when this reversal pattern has been created, the price rejected from this monthly trend line. We saw that the price has created a support here, support here. Now, this same support tested as a resistance here, and every time testing, the gold basically has created a lower high. So that means that when gold create this kind of lower high, this instrument normally it it is supposed to break to the downside from here, but instead what we saw a break to the upside. It's a perfect false breakout, grab the liquidity, hit all the stop loss, and then we saw that broke to the downside. Now what all that mean? That means that gold now has a strong momentum to break down because it has liquidity. And when you see that the price create a false breakout to the one side, in most cases you see that go normally the price broke to the other side. Okay, so with that being said, keep in mind that there is a monthly support here, and as soon as this monthly support will be broken, we can consider going short. Now at the same time, you see there is a this is the daily chart and there's a 20 period moving average. There is also a possibility that the price will go spike to the upside and test this 20 period moving average and then may drop. Now let's see on the 4-hour time frame to see what kind of trading opportunity we have. Now there are a couple of scenario may happen. First thing is, you see this dotted line is where the daily 20 period moving average, and also we see that this is the 4-hour 20 period moving average as well. So there are two area of value that I will consider for going short with gold. Firstly, if during the high impact news release, if gold managed to reach this level, then I will actively watch price action for going short from here with a high risk to reward ratio. On the other hand, if gold doesn't go up, instead it break this monthly level of support, and then on the lower time frame I will be waiting for a retest of this level of support, as well as this is the daily trend line as a resistance, and I will consider going short from here or short from here. Now, if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button now, and also don't forget to drop a comment below. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next analysis.